I'm Martha DeGrasse for RCR Wireless News, and I'm here with Jake McLeod. Jake is the former CTO of Bechtel and the founder of Graybeards Consulting. Jake, thanks so much for making the time today.
Certainly, my pleasure.
Now, PCIA has asked you to start the Innovation and Technology Council, and I think you have your first meeting coming up. Can you tell us what that is and what the mission is?
Sure. The PCIA's Innovation and Technology Council will meet tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock. And the objective of the council is to provide its membership, the membership of PCIA, a look over the horizon at the new technologies that are coming about, 4G advanced and then 5G, to understand how these technologies are going to impact the network infrastructure, hence the businesses of the membership of PCIA, so that the members can take advantage of that forecast or that overlook and be able to position themselves to take advantage of the opportunities.
And who will some of the other participants in that council be?
Oh, there are a number of the CTOs and technology folks that are of the members of PCIA. There are going to be quite a few, and each of them have a different perspective, but all of them are technically oriented.
Right. We know Nokia's done a lot of work, Qualcomm, those are the types of companies that
Samsung, yes.
Samsung as well. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, great. Now, what are some of the trends that you're following right now in the industry that you think are most salient for people to pay attention to right now?
Well, the migration from 4G and the 3GPP 13 release is quite impressive in that like network function virtualization is going to virtualize a lot of the network infrastructure, thereby eliminating network infrastructure. And so we've got a lot of consideration with regard to front haul and back haul and latency and jitter in order to accommodate NFV. Then software-defined networks, same type of thing. We've got carrier aggregation that's making the whole network much more efficient. But again, it all depends on connectivity, both on the front haul and back haul, which translates into fiber and high capacity short haul microwave. Things like that, and then when we get to release 13, which is 5G, it's 3GPP release 13. There are significant enhancements to that, like three-dimensional beamforming antennas and massive MIMO that will allow us to identify location of an individual in the Z plane, in the vertical plane, whereas right now we can just do it horizontally in the X and Y plane.
A whole new dimension. Okay. Mm-hmm. Now, a lot of the trends that you're talking about, particularly with software, do enable the carriers to eventually spend less on infrastructure. So what does that mean for the companies here at PCIA?
Well, it will impact them. Now, some it'll impact positively because the fiber optics, the optoelectronics are going to have to be increased. The servers are going to be aggregated, so the number of actual servers, the boxes, are going to be reduced, not eliminated, but reduced. But then the licensing for use of the software within the servers is going to increase. So it's a balancing act. And again, the knowledge of what's coming down will allow the PCIA membership to begin to adjust to accommodate those changes in the network.
You think we'll see a lot of consolidation in this industry?
Consolidation of network elements, yes. Consolidation of companies, I don't know.
Okay, all right. Jake McLeod, Graybeards Consulting, thank you very much for your time.
Well, thank you very much.